Right, gents, in this video we're going to add all the door positions and door openings. Now, before we do that, we must always remember before we place the doors or we create openings, we must measure the finished floor level off the natural ground. We know that this gent over here is standing on the natural ground, so the ground level just outside the house. And if you remember correctly earlier, we pulled this cement slab up 250 mils. So I'm going to click the tape measure command and I'm going to go around to the edges. Well, let's just have a look at where the doors are. I'm jumping the gun a little bit here. So there's north for the north elevation. We have two sliding doors on the north elevation and one standard door on the south elevation. So this is my north elevation over here. As you can see the positioning, there's your bathroom, there's your bedroom, there's your kitchen and lounge. So I'm going to pull up from the bottom 250, make sure it's blue, indicates it as blue as you pull it up so that it's parallel or perpendicular to the ground. And then I'm going to go to the south elevation because the south elevation is where the other door will be. So I'm going to go 250, enter. Alright, so we've got the level to which the door will, that's the level at which the door will start, and we'll work up from that level. So let's come around to the north elevation where the sliding doors are, and let's have a look at the positioning. So both sliding doors are 1030, right, off the outside edge of their relevant walls. 1030. So we go back to SketchUp, and we're going to go 1030. Let's try that again. Sorry, my mouse is giving me. There we go. No, I'm not snapping. 1030. Come to the other side. 1030. Okay. Then we go back and have a look at the total width of the door. The total width of the door is 2320 for both. 2320. 2320. Enter. 2320. Enter. Then the height of the door we will see in the elevation. So we go through the section. Heights of all doors will be 2050. So we're going to go up 2050. Enter. So that's the positioning for those doors. We're going to come around to the south elevation and have a look at the positioning for this door. So that door, we'll see in the plan again, is a total of 2350 from the east edge, east sort of wall. So we're going to go 2350. So let's come back here. Here it is, 2350. Make sure you're working off the correct wall. 2350. We know that I can remember, and so should you, that the doors are the normal doors are standard, or our standard wooden doors are 1000 wide. And we're going to come up again 2050. So to confirm that the height, we can look at the elevation. Right, 2050 off the finished floor level. So we're going to go 2050. Enter. There's the spacing for the door on the outside. Right. Now what I'm going to do is to create the openings there, I'm going to double click or triple click on the group. It's now active and ready for editing. I'm going to take my rectangle command and I'm going to go from the top corner to the bottom corner. I'm then going to press pull. I'm going to click on that material, right, and then I'm going to pull it back to where it says on edge. Whenever you see on edge, click, and the material will go straight through. Likewise, I'm going to get my rectangle command, and I'm going to do the same with these constructions we've got here, these rectangular constructions, these markers, or sliding door markers. I'm going to press pull these again, on edge, and we've created the openings for the sliding doors as well as the external door. Now we've got internal doors to do, so for positioning for internal doors, they're the same spec, by the way. It's 1000 wide, 2050 up, and this one here is 1150 off the internal wall. So I'm going to go to the internal wall here, tape measure, and I'm going to go off 1150, enter. And we know it's going to be 1000 wide, 100 wide, and it's going to be 2050 high. Right? Then we're going to come back to the floor plan and look at this door. This door was 3150 off the inside edge of the north wall. So we're going to go back and we're going to go 3150 from here. 3150, enter. And we know that the door is 1000 wide, standard wooden door, as it is at the entrance, and the one we've just done. So there we go. Door positions are in place internally. Now I'm going to click on that internal wall, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We can go from top to bottom, bottom to top, as long as we make sure we snap on the right places. Now I'm going to press build. Click on edge, click on edge. There we have it. Internal door positioning has been created. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to place our doors inside those spaces. But for now, what we can do is, in terms of what we see, we can delete all guides. Instead of me having to highlight all those guides now, we don't need them for the next part, so we're going to delete them. So in the next video, we're going to download the doors and we're going to place them in position.